I'm afraid we're quite definitely closed.
Aziraphale, it's me.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man.
Well, I'll be damned.
It's not that bad when you get used to it. Stick it in your pocket, then you...
It was close to your ear.
Never anywhere near my ear.
Well, no fun.
Fun?
Yes.
It's humiliating. You can do proper magic. You can make things disappear.
But it's not as fun.
Make you disappear.
Master, I'm afraid.
Nonsense. You're doing all the party to remember. Last one never had, mate. Something's changed.
Oh, it's a new cologne. My barber suggests.
No, I know what you smell like.
A velvet undergrad.
You wouldn't like it.
No, bebop.
Blue.
Oh, it's paint.
Hey, you've both been hit. I don't know what you think you're playing at.
Millie from accounts caught me in the elbow. Who's winning?
You're all going to lose.
What the hell did you just do?
They wanted real guns, so I gave them what they wanted.
No, Crowley. I've always said that deep down, you really are quite a nice
Hey, gentlemen. Sorry to break up an intimate moment. Can I help you?
Yeah, excuse me, ma'am. We're two supernatural entities just looking for the notorious son of Satan. Wonder if you might help us with our inquiries.
Hello, Aziraphale.
I hear he does remarkable things to oysters.
I've never eaten an oyster.
Oh, let me tempt you to.
You can't kill me. There'll be paperwork. These people are working for you.
No, they're a bunch of half-witted Nazi spies running around London.
That was very kind of you.
Shut up.
Well,
Aziraphale.
Nice and accurate prophecies.
Agnes Nutter, yes, I took it.
What's going on out here?
Long story, no time.
Well, try me.
okay. So, in the beginning, in the garden, there was he was a wily old serpent, and I was technically on apple tree duty.
Come up with something, or I'll never talk to you again.
It's just a little bit too
Ineffable.
Oh, that's funny seeing him here. That's meant to be bad luck. That's meant to be bad.
Renegade angels all tied up with string.
These are a few of our favorite things.
Don't stop them! What's wrong, love?
Ooh, bad luck, dear.
Oh, hell.
Oh, it's not a problem. It's tickety-boo.
Cheers. To the world.
To the world.